Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve problem on departmental accounting. Before solving the problem, we are going to understand the question. So the first question is, from the following particular, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2015. So stock on 1st April 2014 for department A 5,000, for department B 7,000. Purchases during the year for department A 60,000 and for department B 50,000. Sales for department A 80,000 and for department B 75,000. And other expenses like wages and carriage 15,500, rent, rate and insurance 31,000, office salary 7,750, printing and stationery 3,100, and closing stock on 31st March 2015 for department A 10,000 and department B 8,000. So in last they have given apportion the expenses in proportion to the turnover of each department. So turnover means nothing but sales. So we are going to apportion the expenses based on the sales ratio. Okay. So before solving the problem, please understand the question. Okay. So I am moving on to solution. Yes. This is the format of departmental trading profit and loss account. So departmental accounting nothing but same as trading and P&L account. Here we are going to bifurcate for which department has incurred how much expenditures. Only we are going to apportion the expenditures. Okay. So normally, we are going to start with opening stock to opening stock. Students, before solving the problem, kindly write down the questions. Then only you are going to understand the problems clearly. Okay. So opening stock 5,000 for department A, for department B 7,000. Total we have to add both departmental A and B 12,000. If we add 5 plus 7, we are going to get 12,000. Okay. Next, purchases. Purchases for departmental A 60,000, for department B 50,000. Total 60,000 plus 50,000 1,10,000. Okay. Next, they have given sales. Sales will be in the credit side. Okay. So by sales, how much they have given? 80,000 and 75,000. Total 1,55,000. Next, they have given wages and carriages. Wages and carriages are the direct expenditure. So we are going to write it down in trading account to wages and carriages. They have given total. How much they have given total? 15,500. So in the question they have mentioned apportion the expenses in proportion to the turnover. So we are going to apportion the expenses on the basis of turnover. Turnover in the sense sales. So we are going to find out sales ratio. How we are going to find out sales ratio? Nothing but departmental A versus B. Okay. So 80,000 for departmental A and 75,000 for departmental B. Okay, 3 zeros will get cancelled. Here if you use 5 ones a table, it is 16 is to 15. This is the turnover ratio. In 16 is to 15 ratio, we are going to apportion the expenditures. Okay, so here 16 is to 15. Okay, so if we calculate, use calculator, we are going to get 8,000, here 7,500. How I get this? 15,500 into 16 divided by 31. Okay, so how I get the 31? 16 plus 15. If we add both numbers, we are going to get 31. Okay, so this is total expenditures related to trading account. Now we are going to calculate the total amount. Before that, we have to write by closing stock. How much they have given? 10,000. 8,000. If we add both, we are going to get 18,000. So calculate both sides. Which side value is higher, that side we are going to write. Okay, so if we add 5,000 plus 60,000 plus 8,000, we are going to get 73,000 as total for departmental A in debit side, and 7,000 plus 50,000 plus 7,500, total 64,500 in departmental B. Okay, in this side 90,000, here 83,000. So which side total is higher? Yes, credit side is higher. So we are going to write 90,000, 83,000 and 1,73,000. Nothing but 90,000 plus 83,000. If we add both, we are going to get 1,73,000. So which side value is higher? No, that side value we are going to write it in both the sides. Okay, 90, 83, 1,73,000. So if we minus 90,000 with 73,000, we are going to get 17,000. If I minus 83,000 with 64,500, I am going to get 18,500. If I add both, I am going to get 35,500. So we are going to call this as 2 gross profit. If credit side is more, we are going to call it as gross profit. Okay. Next we are going to calculate departmental P&L account. This is departmental trading. Now we are going to calculate departmental P&L account. So I am going to brought down the gross profit. Credit side will be brought down to the debit side will be brought down to the credit side. Yes. So by gross profit brought down, how much gross profit I earned for departmental A? 17,000. For departmental B, 18,500, and for total 35,500. Okay, so other expenditures one by one we are going to read now. So opening stock I have written, purchases completed, sales completed. Even I have identified trading expenses like wages and carriages. Remaining rent, rates and insurance, office salary, printing and stationery is related to P&L account. Why? Because these expenses are indirect expenses, so that will be recorded in profit and loss account. So all the expenses will be calculated on turnover ratio. Turnover ratio nothing but sales ratio. Yes. So rent, rates and taxes. Total how much they have given? 2 rent, rates and insurance. How much they have given? Total 31,000. It is bifurcated on the basis of 16:15. Yes. So 31,000 into 16 divided by 31, we are going to get 16,000 and 15,000. Next one, 2 office salary. Office salary, how much they have given? 7,750 total. So 7,750 into 16 divided by 31. How much we are going to get? 4,000 we are going to get, and 7,750 into 15 divided by 31, 3,750. And the last expenses is to printing and stationery. How much they have given total? 3,100. 3,100 into 16 divided by 31, 1,600, and 3,100 into 15 divided by 31, 1,500. Okay, so now we are going to again add total debit side of P&L account and total credit side of P&L account. Okay na? If we add debit side of departmental A, we are going to get 21,600 as total. For departmental B, 20,250. So if we compare, the gross profit is 17,000 for A and for B 18,500. So by this we can recognize as the company is sustained loss because the expenditures are more than the gross profit, isn't it? So I'm going to write 21,600 and 20,250. Yes, if I add 41,850, so which side value is higher? That side where the same value will be written in the other side. Okay, so 21,600 and 20,250. Total will be 41,850. If I minus the total, I'm going to sustain net loss, that is balancing figure. How much? I'm going to get 4,600 and 1,750 for departmental B 6,350 for total. Yes, so this is how we are going to solve the problems on departmental trading profit and loss account. So based on the problem and based on the additional informations given, we are going to solve the problem. Okay,